My question here is to Rajni sir. Sir, modlo solno trailer rombave super. Ninga, whenever you play a villainous role, we all love you because when you're good, you're very good. But when you're bad, you're better. Do you like playing Chitti too? Do you have fun doing that?
Actually, in this picture, I'm villain only. But always, actually, I would like to do villain characters. And in this picture, you will see that. The real villain. Thank you.
Sir, the action in this film looks spectacular. Did you have fun doing it? Was it difficult? How was the experience of doing it?
No, difficult hours actually. I told you, he's a difficult director. But I enjoyed because this subject is very unique. And I want to tell you, this is not only a prestigious picture for Subhash Karan producer or Shankar or the unit. It is a prestigious picture, the whole Indian cinema. And I'm telling you, despite of our technical excellence and the financial strength, we could not reach the Hollywood standard yet. But I'm telling confidently, openly, this picture will reach that Hollywood level. Every Indian, our Indian film fraternity will be proud of. Thank you.
Rajni sir, your superstardom spans decades. Do you, from Indian film industry like Bollywood, who do you think will enjoy the superstardom that you have down in India, like everywhere in India, other than Akshay Kumar? Because I know he will take Akshay Kumar's name.
I don't understand. What is it? We're going to take it.
Who else enjoys your level of stardom in Hindi
Who
cinema?
will enjoy?
Apart, who will enjoy?
At your age, maybe. At your age, who do you think will still enjoy?
At your age, who will enjoy? And he says, not Akshay Kumar, because he knows that you will say Akshay Kumar because he's sitting next to you. They said,
no comment.
One more question, sir. Salman sir just said, narrated an incident about you and him. You shared screen space with Shah Rukh sir in a small sequence in Ravan. You're doing an entire film with Akshay sir. When can we see you and Salman sir together? Or do you plan to do one film?
But tomorrow, if Salman says yes, I am ready.
Lovely. We're going to take one last question, ladies and gentlemen.
Shankar sir, you're straight.
Very far from straight, but anyway.
So there is a lot of excitement about the second installment of Robot, but people always plan the franchise. They always think of taking the franchise ahead. Do you plan to come up with a third installment of Robot?
Yeah, of course, because it's a very interesting science fiction genre. Definitely, I believe something will come up in my mind for 3.0 and 4.0 and 5.0.
And it goes on and on. Thank you so much. Thank you. And those are all the questions we will take now, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to thank these wonderful gentlemen for their time, their energy, and more than anything else, their abundant talent that we're going to experience on Diwali with 2.0. This has truly been a spectacular evening. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for joining us on this platform. And I would now, and while we bid these wonderful gentlemen goodbye, I'd like to invite on stage finally Mr. Raju Mahalingam for our vote of thanks.